Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. It's Sophie. I'm super excited to be back with another eye look tutorial for you guys today. For today's tutorial, I will be showing you guys how I achieved this look right here. I used a brand new palette from Kaleidos. Kaleidos has some of my favorite palettes. I'm absolutely obsessed with the company. This video is not sponsored, but I did receive this palette in PR and I was super excited. So the first thing I'm doing is priming my eyes. I like to prime with concealer, set it in place with some translucent powder. And this palette is called the Futurism Lunar Lavender palette. And as soon as I saw that metallic shade that has blue-purple reflex, I knew I wanted to use it. So we are going to be doing a look around that color. So first thing I'm doing is grabbing this fluffy brush and this light lavender shade. And I'm just going to be applying this in my crease, and I am just following the natural curve of my crease. And then I'm going into my angled brush and this darker brown shade in the palette, and I'm going to be applying this on the center of my crease, focusing this on the outer half. And I will say that most of the shades in this palette, they are very soft, but I love how soft they look. It looks I was gonna say natural, but this look is purple. There's nothing natural about a purple eye look, but everything is really soft and all the shades really complement each other. So next I'm going into this small tapered brush and the darker purple shade, and I'm just gonna be blending that line out. And I'm literally just going in left and right motions over top of that line to blend it out. Next, I'm going into my angled brush and my concealer, and I am cutting out my lid and also setting my lid in place and just really packing that concealer on, and then grabbing a smaller, more condensed brush with some translucent powder and just packing this over top of the concealer. Next, I'm grabbing this flat brush and I'm grabbing this metallic purple shade, and I'm just going to be applying this all over my lid. And this shade is really stunning. It has kind of a blue reflex to it. So I'm just packing this all over my lid. I did also use my finger to apply that shadow. It did apply a little bit better with your finger. And then I'm grabbing an even smaller tapered brush and the darker purple shade once again, just hitting that outer corner to give us a little bit more dimension, and then peeling off my tape. And then for lashes, I'm applying my Shop Sofie Bella Bahama lashes. These lashes are currently $10. So if you guys want to take advantage of our sale, go ahead and check out the link in my description box. We will not be restocking them, unfortunately. So once they are gone, they are going to be gone forever. And then I'm grabbing my Double Life Urban Decay liner, and I just applied that in my waterline. I applied that lavender shade on our lower lash line, and then I'm grabbing my Fenty Beauty Full Frontal Mascara, coating my lower lashes, and then for my inner corner, I'm grabbing my Pixie by Petra highlight. And this is the finished look right here. I really hope that you guys enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up to help support our channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!